If you've lived in Florida too long, you may have noticed during a heavy rain, large areas in your yard just pooling with water. What you can do in these places are rain gardens. If you've ever seen a rain garden before, this can be a unique area of your landscape where water sits, but you can add a diversity of plants. The purpose of a rain garden has multiple benefits. The first being to slow down the flow of water to reduce what is called stormwater runoff. Now imagine your house times multiple thousands. With Florida, with 1,200 people a day moving to the state, we have more development, meaning we've got more stormwater runoff. Water from your sidewalks, your roofs, your driveways, bringing with it oils, pesticides, herbicides, pet waste, etc. By installing a rain garden instead, you slow that flow of water and you give the plants and the soil time to filter those nutrients and to filter those pollutants. Some plants, including the canna lilies, they can actually filter a considerable amount of heavy metals from pollutants in your landscapes. So by installing a rain garden, you are not only reducing stormwater runoff, adding diversity to your landscape, which helps also our pollinators too. So how do you install a rain garden? First, walk around your landscape after a heavy rain event. See where the water seems to be sitting. You don't want the water to be sitting there more than 24 hours, but pick a spot that you think a rain garden would be suitable in your yard. Now, you do want to keep that about 10 feet away from the foundation of your home. Also, if you have a septic system or a drainage field, definitely do not put your rain garden anywhere near the drainage field especially. So you picked a spot 10 feet away from your foundation. Then how do you install it? You really don't want to go too deep with your rain garden. 4 inches to 8 inches is usually ideal. You can make it as big as you want, 30 foot, 100 foot. Just keep in mind, the bigger it is, the more plants you have to add and possibly more maintenance too. Now the great thing is with Florida-friendly landscaping, selecting plants that are suitable for your site and therefore are lower maintenance. By adding organic mulch too, particularly pine bark, pine needles, 2 to 3 inches, that also helps hold moisture around the roots, but also helps suppress weeds too. So doing those things, picking Florida-friendly plants, native or non-native, and using 2 to 3 inches of organic mulch, all can help. After that, you can enjoy your rain garden during a heavy rain, sit there and watch the water sit, the plants absorb all that water and nutrients as it recharges our aquifer beneath our feet. Next, we'll talk about some plants you can consider for your rain garden too.